Huh. What's that noise outside? Let's take a look. Doo doo doo. Doo doo doo. Oh! Donkey! It's raining! Donkey! Donkey! What is it now, Shrek? Are you gonna make me do more things? No, no, no! Look outside! It's raining! Raining? It's raining! It's pouring! The omen is pouring! Ha ha ha! Wait, he is? I don't know! Just look outside and see for yourself! It's a miracle, Donkey! Oh, alright, if you tell me to. Sheesh, can't even get my own sleep. Well, if he's telling the truth. Whew. He's right. It is raining. Oh, it's a miracle. I feel like I could dance and do the boogie. Wow, I feel like going outside. I suggest you wouldn't, Donkey. Why not? Rain wouldn't hurt me. Well, you would get sick like... Well, true. But I'm still gonna do it. Donkey, if you do it, I will kick your butt. Fine. I will just stay here and do nothing at all. How do you like that, Shrek? Well, that sounds nice, Donkey. Yeah. Well, this is a little weird, so I guess I'll just head on home. Well, suit yourself, Donkey. Yeah, suit myself.